The bad.
How far, bro? Nah, dude, how far?
Oh,
and then this person,
I want to say, baby, how quick
new level. Master, behind Yabra. I want to ask you. And right, you to my who said 2 girls, let's go now. So move that. No move and so the need is the idea. AKWABOAH and Tino Moba. See, but I say, I guess no move for.
anything like anything Mama Buffia.
Isn't it? It's not because of
The ladies.
Guy, as yesterday at the pass, I saw those 2 girls, those Americana,
especially
those girls where they chat the other said, "Why they say like this thing the best me." See, as they laugh that time. Wait, you go understand them very soon. Wait, you go understand them. Those 2 girls where we meet the other day, where they speak English.
Yeah, you know them.
You know the girls, those 2 ones. Why they say I like the other one where get big dash. You know the person. At the first
talk like
at the pass the other day. No, beside they come your side at the pass. I saw the 2 girls. They enter your house. At this place they enter.
And I ask you question. That's the reason why you can.
That's why we are here. We want to know who are those girls.
Okay.
What are they?
Wait. So the question why they ask now no make sense for you.
I know, like I shock self. Why you asking that question? Because you know me already. I don't like ladies and those stuff. So why you asking that question?
Or you think we are joking here?
The ladies is my sister's friend. So.
Whoa! When you see somebody once is lying, you know. AKWABOAH, you're lying. Guy, I don't trust you. Guy, forget that. I don't trust
someone lying.
That guy, this guy can lie. When you see the person where they lie,
why you don't even trust me? You have to trust me.
Okay,
because you know me. I don't like you because
sisters friends. So we can take the opportunity through the sister and get the girls. That one will make sense.
AKWABOAH, are you saying the truth?
Oh, Charlie. You don't have to ask me because you have to trust me. I'm not a bad boy.
Let's say if you are bad. Let's say if you are bad. See that girl?
Yeah.
See, I like that girl.
So you dug me now?
Wait now.
Oh, my
the other one, the one where they sleep, you go collect that one.
Is it from today going here?
You like?
I will show you where the power lies.
The one where get nyash. Your sister, they talk to them now. Even with your sister, I like that guy. See, AKWABOAH, if you give me that girl, if you do this thing for me,
Mama,
guy, calm down now. Let me talk.
Actually, let you talk what? We all came here to ask for the girls, but you are now eliminating me, and you sabotage me.
Wait, AKWABOAH, wait, guys, cool down now. Your blood they hot. Cool down now.
Let me my brother they hot.
I hear you.
So, guys,
you guys are my brothers. But
I will give you the other one.
You go give me
the one where they sleep. You go collect that one.
So you have finished sharing.
And they say okay, they want me to me. Because we don't about the end.
Yeah, Baba, yeah, the old back at Nigeria for say to me.
Why you guys?
We're waiting to worry you.
Why you guys like my like that?
You're a man can go from punching.
Okay, fine.
Wait. I know say you they insult me.
I know they insult you. I say you for calm down.
Now the thing where they hungry me, now here they want. Guy, if you do this thing, if you help me, guy, I will buy you drink now. Drink now for nothing. No sir,
buy me drink.
I will give you drink.
So you are just eliminating me because of girls.
I know. Okay. You go give that small one. The small one will not get your.
And then so go to me, go and do it then. Then you go to me, I can cocaine.
Oh, Catasta,
so me, I'm not back. Then you go and.
So I tell you just go and go. Okofa.
Why you behave like?
Why you behave? You came to act. You just cross the line, go to the other side, talking, eliminate me.
You guys are my buddies.
Boy, seriously.
Me, I don't like them. Because you know me already, I don't like ladies.
You don't like them?
My man not there.
Then
you guys like them, yeah, so don't worry, I'll try my best.
You're my best friend.
You see how far I look?
See, sometimes
the grade.
Sometimes this guy network.
Okay.
Give these guys. Are they serious on this thing? If you do this thing for me,
don't worry.
You are very bad man.
I will show you love.
But I don't say.
So Charlie, you have to go.
Down.
I'm tired.
They need that to down. Is it black blameless? Busum busumuru. Busum pen. Busum bra. Where you going to go?
Auntie, you know, since we came from the States, we've been looking around and there is no washing machine here. And you know, I can't also use my hands to push. So these are clothes. So just do justice to it for myself. Yeah, me patra say, me bag, be free, abuche me bag gana. Me she baby me washing machine. Mensa too pretty. A basi nyoma. Ti ya fire nyoma ayefi bebrebe and the bro say ubisi amani.
It means I show him fair at now. Rob is single. You sure? What do you some common cookies on your face?
Auntie, it's saying we can't do that. It's in their bro.
Sure. Was it it?
No, state you use your bare hand. You use your washing machine. Or better still, take it to laundry. Why? No more wash it. Because I am making videos. What the most I move to say you know. I bet it's in me passion. Be careful with that things.
Auntie, you know I'll be wearing this yellow dress to a party tonight. So
yeah,
I want you to do it quick so that at least I can iron. Hey, I can't iron. You iron for us and you hang them for us. Put them in our room. Okay.
No, I don't want to be no. I'm packing on my fridge and I'm causing no mamma don't catch them. Sure.
Auntie, listen. Me babo call ma pa because me wafa ne yiri enenu. Me babo call ma. And you just shout like how you expect us to wash our clothes with our hand. What exactly are you doing in this house? What do? You don't work. You don't clean, you don't cook, you don't do anything in this house. And at the end of the day, my uncles give you money. So,
that money even comes from our parents. It's not even
we sponsor him. This is our house. If I like, I can sack you. I can throw your things away. But I'm just keeping you here because you're gonna do laundry and other stuff for me. You're gonna serve me. That is why you're still here. It's now over here. I come up palm with the data. I don't want to waste my time on you because I have to go live on TikTok. So do that and bring this.
Hey, what was it? No man blame you. And actually, na kwa kwa my dear son. Na bear me. Mirror, what you told me. I didn't say, I'm quite a table Jimmy say. No, almost I want to fancy. Me go Google. Or more to show.